Now about adding group members in your Ubuntu Dedicated Server System. Once you have groups in place, you can add existing users as well as new users to that group. All access rights and permissions assigned to the group will be automatically available to all the members of the group. You'll have to follow the same procedures of opening putty, and you will need root privileges to add a group member to the Ubuntu Dedicated Server System.
But before I continue with the video, let me tell you that you can purchase our dedicated server by following the process given in the tutorial video. The link is given in the description. Now back to the video.
You need super user if you don't have root privileges. So after opening putty and providing login username and password, you have to give the required command to add user with non-option arguments. Here I have already opened the CLI window after giving the login username and login password. So I have to give the required command right now. But before that, let me explain what is non-option argument. A non-option argument is something that user and root command follows. User and root are non-option arguments in command line. This means these two commands take arguments without any options. Now, give the required command. If you have root privileges, then simply give this command. Add users, space, the username you want to type, space, the group's name you want to add the user in. Here I am giving the name Rebecca. Now give the space to put the group's name, and in the group name I choose management. I have to press enter. See, it has already added a Rebecca to the group management. And it's done like this way. If you don't have root privileges, you need to use sudo command for super user. Then the command will follow as such. Sudo space add user space. Here I am giving the username Tom space, and I am giving the group name employees. So it has also added Tom to the group employees. Then it will show you the information below as I have said it right now. Below your command, I mean that the particular user here, Rebecca and Tom, are added to the group management and employees respectively in the Ubuntu Dedicated Server System. So that's it. This is how you add root members in your Ubuntu Dedicated Server System. Also, you can use the add user command to add an existing user to an existing group, like it is shown here. Like Rebecca and Tom are also, we're already existing users in this server system, and the group management and employees were also existing groups before. So this was a comprehensive step-by-step guide to create groups and add users in Ubuntu Dedicated Server System. Thanks for watching.